Open the Morph Target subpalette. Pressing the Store MT button will store a current state of your sculpt into memory. Next, sculpt on your model without using Dynamesh or Sculptris Pro. Press this button to switch between your current state and your stored Morph target. Select the Morph brush to restore your model to the version stored in memory. Split your edges into separate subtools by storing a Morph target. Next, manipulate your mesh's surface. Once done, press Create Diff button here to generate a new mesh and undo your recent edits. Lastly, click Append to add the difference mesh created from the Morph target as a subtool.